So your question here is, how do I market land without a cash buyer screwing me? Great question. The way to actually do this, might get in trouble here, but is trust. Like, I would say you need trust, but you can't trust anyone. Trust but verify. So you're not going to stop a cash buyer from trying to screw you. Cash buyers are always going to try to screw you. It's just the name of the game. Now, with you knowing this information, what are you going to do? Personally, I would say you just got to know you're getting screwed. That's it. Like, that's what I'd say. If you go to www.flipathrift.com/contract, that assignment of contract, if you get it locked up with the seller, will stop you from getting like screwed on that deal. That's probably what I would say. Just go to www.flipathrift.com/contract. That assignment of contract will protect you the most from getting your wholesaling deal. You're not going to stop someone from trying to screw you on a deal or try to steal a deal. But if you get a contract, you get an actual earnest money deposit on that, use a legitimate title company, and then you actually use my assignment of contract, it will stop so many people from trying to steal your wholesaling deals, and it should deter it. So that's probably what I would do. Just make sure you have a really good trusted cash buyer, and there's going to be ones to try to screw you. It's just how some cash buyers are. I don't like it, but that's the truth. Also for land, remember that you do want the cash buyer beforehand. So you want to make sure that they're trusting enough for you. So that's kind of what I'm thinking here.